Right there. There you go.
And you see this button? Can you push it? Look at that. That's our thumb. Yeah!
Are you pushing it or is she pushing it?
She is. Push it! Push it!
You're doing that.
You gotta help her steer it.
It's you.
You gotta sit down when you push the button.
Down. Here you go.
Push the button.
Are you pushing it? You can hold it there. Here.
Just hold it down.
Here,
Hold
you
it
could
down.
take it and go.
You liking that, Riley?
When I told her to push it, she used her thumb. Like
Yeah.
she didn't even go like that. She, you gotta hold on. And just go.